Hi guys. So yesterday we looked at how to create regular rhythms of unplugging from the technology in our lives, which creates the necessary space for uninterrupted time with God. Today we will turn our attention to the second benefit of unplugging from technology, which is sensitivity. Unplugging from the technology in our lives creates the necessary sensitivity to see and and respond to the needs of the people around us, where we live, where we live, work, and play. Scripture frequently reminds us to live out our lives, to live out our faith in Jesus in a community. Acts chapter 2 verse 2 tells us the importance of gathering together day by day. As they spent time together in the temple, they broke bread at home and ate their food with glad and generous hearts. And the author of Hebrews provides a similar message, and it tells us, consider to provoke one another to love and good deeds, not to neglect to meet together as is the habit of some, but encourage one another, and all the more as you see the day approaching. That is Hebrews chapter 10 verse 24 to 25. There is undoubtedly a place in our lives for virtually connecting with friends and family. But what if God has strategically placed us in our homes, neighborhoods, workplaces to love and to be loved by the people we share our physical space with? Is it possible that we have become fixated on the people out there in the virtual world, that we no longer see the value the people in the physical world right in front of us? Adele Alhabag, Callahan, something like that, provides a beautiful reminder of how important face-to-face interaction with others. So it says, unplugging recognizes that personal beings are created for personal interaction by a personal God. I love that. We need to be in the presence of each other. Digital connection aren't enough to keep us healthy. We need to be touched. We need non-verbal signals. We need uninterrupted spaces in our lives for the presence of God and the presence of others. Today, as you move throughout your day, take a minute to unplug from your technology and ask God to increase your sensitivity to the people right in front of you. What would it look like for you and me to give someone else the gift of our presence, our full attention, our uninterrupted time? How would that bring new life in their soul and ours? And how might our time together draw us deeper into an intimate relationship with God, who created us to be in a community? That was our day two of our day of our 3-day devotional on unplugging through Christ. I hope you tune in tomorrow for the third part of this 3-part series on Unplugging. And yeah, man, more topics to come. And please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on this channel. And let's keep growing, and let's keep being faithful to God and loving one another. And yeah, man, mwah. Thanks for watching.